Okay guys, so in today's video we'll be playing some arena mode in Animal Company. So let's get straight to it.
Go to stage 5 if you want to see a cool glitch.
Bang. Scratch my nose. Okay, we're good. We're good. Is anybody here? Okay, we're all here. Hi everybody.
Whoever's a streamer, follow me.
Me. Here you go.
I mean, I'm not a streamer. I'm a YouTuber though.
Well,
I'm
someone
recording
in this
right
coach
now, in
string,
fact.
and I'm trying to get.
In fact, I'm
find out.
recording. I'm recording right now.
I was thinking about recording, but I'm trying to practice guns. But you're the streamer who's streaming right now, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Dang it, no, my bombs.
Okay.
Get ready. Let's keep your my fins.
Dead.
Bro, I just.
You dead? You dead? Repair.
I'm stuck.
Go! Kill him!
What is that doing up there?
Dead?
What the heck are you doing? I just shot that girl through the back. Yo, chill. Yo, what are y'all saying? Bro. Now, yo, chill. What? No. Say your last words. No, I did say your last words.
That scared me!
Hump so I'm freaking all over, bro.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm finna go rush. I'm rushing. Never mind, I'm not rushing. Bang!
Oh my
Go,
god.
go, go, go.
Yeah,
Monkey!
Oh my god!
you my
Yes! Let's. What?
Wow, bro.
How did we lose? I thought we won for a second right there. Why did I think we
Oh,
won?
no one died. We can't cheese pull.
GG, GG,
Cheese time. Cheese
Sure.
How do you
They
get?
said, oh my god.
How do you get company coins again? I got my company coins from a guy.
I go big. I go big.
Oh my god, bro, I'm not that corny, alright, bro?
Somebody help me! Can you help me? I'm new!
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
New.
It's a car. The black car, that's more black car. What are we doing?
You're Cameron.
I hit him, shot. Ah! Everybody, report everybody.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Kaboom! Two brothers fighting each other is crazy. Kaboom! Oh yeah.
La la la.
Hit him.
Cameron.
Yeah! Ah! Where's he?
You're scared. John Cena. Hey, I'm
Yo, I'm killing. No!
Oh yeah, I'm burning everyone out, gang.
What?
Gang.
There we go, gang. Like, I don't love it.
I told you not to come on my land.
Gang!
I told you, gang.
No!
I didn't die.
Everybody, we're getting reported. I swear on my mama, everybody getting
Why
reported.
are you coming on my land? Why are you coming on my land?
My name is Nibble Cheeks. I love nibble cheeks. I can really nibble yours.
Oh,
Everybody in here getting reported.
Fire. Fire.
that?
Fire.
Hey!
Hello.
We're getting reported.
That number was the
Hello.
I just died instantly. What the hell?
You shut up, sir.
Cheese ball. Cheese ball. Cheese ball.
Cheese ball, cheese ball. Cheese ball.
Teach me. Mommy.
Okay.
Can somebody teach me? Mommy.
Don't.
Oh, guys, look. Guys, you wanna see it? You wanna see it? Look. Oh. Oh my God, guys.
Ha!
I just.
Don't worry, guys. I'm a god. No shit. I'm a god.
Triple T.
Done? Done?
Oh, turtle!
I'm coming for you guys.
See?
Yo, hold on.
Got her.
Ninja turtle.
You almost used
Damn it!
Thank goodness. Where are you stuck?
Check.
I shot him in the
You're getting reported. I'm reporting you.
Huh?
I am Nibble Teeth.
Look out!
He wasn't lying. He nibbled my teeth from the grave.
Okay. Not stuck. Nothing, by the way.
Hey, come here. Bang. You're getting reported.
Get fun. Get fun.
Fuck you, nibble teeth.
I'll never cheat. Come here.
Man, I was a gingerbread man. Oh, I'm so lucky. I'm on your side, man.
Why y'all?
I got the good one.
There was a time. Damn it. So,
I can't.
Why don't you get...
we are reporting everyone in this server, right?
Animal company.
Where is Darren Watkins Jr.?
Sebastian Wayne drank rappers.
How you doing? How you doing?
Kill him! Everyone, kill the arm! Kill the mice! Bang! Yes, kill him!
Kill him.
Kill the dude that caused the antivirus! Man!
We have a 20-year-old on the game.
Yeah.
Big villain coming to my
I hate you. No! Yes!
Yay, we win!
I am
I'm gonna stop using the M voice.
Yeah, you can quit.
That was a funny recording, in my opinion, though. Take me back. Here back. But anyways, that is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe.